Fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. If a body traverses a distance in direct proportion to the time, the speed of the body is dash, constant. If a body is moving with a constant velocity, its acceleration is dash, 0. Dash is a scalar quantity. Speed. Dash is the distance traversed by a body in a particular direction in unit time. Velocity. Observe the figure and answer the questions. Sachin and Samir started on a motorbike from place A, took the turn at B, did a task at C, travelled by the route CD to D, and then went on to E. Altogether, they took 1 hour for this journey. Find out the actual distance traversed by them and the displacement from A to E. From this, deduce their speed. What was their velocity from A to E in the direction AE? Can this velocity be called average velocity? Total distance travelled by Sachin and Samir is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE is equal to AB is 3 km plus BC is 4 km plus CD is 5 km plus DE is 3 km. That is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 is 15 km. Total displacement from A to E is equal to AB plus BD plus DE is equal to AB is 3 km plus BD is 3 km plus DE is 3 km. That is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 km. Now we have to find speed and velocity by using the formula of speed and velocity. The formula of speed is distance upon time. That is equal to distance is 15 km upon time is 1 hour is equal to 15 km per hour. The formula of velocity is displacement upon time. That is equal to displacement is 9 km upon time is 1 hour is equal to 9 km per hour. From the groups B and C, choose the proper words for each of the words in group A. Work, joule and erg. Force, Newton and dyne. Displacement, meter and centimeter. A bird sitting on a wire flies, circles around and comes back to its perch. Explain the total distance it traversed during its flight and its eventual displacement. The bird takes a circular turn and comes back. The distance traversed by the bird is equal to the circular path that it has taken. Since bird comes back to its original position, the displacement will be 0. Explain the following concepts in your own words with everyday examples. Force, work, displacement, velocity, acceleration, distance. Force. The interaction that brings about the acceleration is called force. For example, an ox is pulling a cart, applying brakes to a bicycle, lifting heavy iron object with a crane. Work. When an object is displaced by applying a force on it, work is said to be done. For example, a bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well and taken to the home by walking from well to home. Displacement. The minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called displacement. For example, a rolling of a ball from point A to point B in the same direction. Velocity. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time. For example, a truck is covering a distance of 40 km from A to D in a straight line in 1 hour. Acceleration. From the number of seconds required for this change in velocity to take place, the change in velocity per second can be deduced. This is called acceleration. The formula of acceleration is change in velocity upon time taken for change. In the above example, a truck covered the distance AB at velocity of 60 km per hour, BC at 30 km per hour and CD at 40 km per hour. Distance. The length of the route actually traversed by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called distance. For example, Ranjit travelled 1 km from his home to school. A ball is rolling from A to D on a flat and smooth surface. Its speed is 2 cm per second. On reaching B, it was pushed continuously up to C. On reaching D from C, its speed had become 4 cm per second. It took 2 seconds for it to go from B to C. What is the acceleration of the ball as it goes from B to C? The speed of a ball from point A to point B is 2 cm per second. At point B, there is a force acting on a ball. The speed of a ball from point C to point D is 4 cm per second. Initial velocity is segment AB, that is 2 cm per second. Final velocity is segment CD, that is 4 cm per second. You have to find the speed of a ball from point B to point C. As its initial and final positions are one and the same, initial velocity is equal to 2 cm per second. Final velocity is equal to 4 cm per second. Time taken for the change in velocity from point B to point D, that is equal to 4 cm per second minus 2 cm per second is equal to 2 cm per second. The formula of acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken for change, that is equal to 2 cm per second upon 2 seconds is equal to 1 cm per second square. Solve the following problems. A force of 1000 Newton was applied to stop a car that was moving with a constant velocity. The car stopped after moving through 10 meters. How much is the work done? Force is equal to 1000 Newton. Displacement is equal to 10 meter. You have to find work done. The formula of work done is equal to force into displacement, that is equal to force is 1000 into displacement is 10 is equal to 1000 into 10 is 10,000 joule. A cart with mass 20 kg went 50 meter in a straight line on a plain and smooth road when a force of 2 Newton was applied to it. How much work was done by the force? Force is equal to 2 Newton. Displacement is equal to 50 meter. You have to find work done. The formula of work done is equal to force into displacement, that is equal to force is 2 into displacement is 50, that is equal to 2 into 50 is 100 joule. Let's recall. What is meant by motion? What causes a change in motion? Displacement of an object from one place to another in a specific time is called the motion of that object. What is meant by speed? The distance traversed by an object in unit time is called the speed of that object. What is the formula for calculating speed? The formula of speed is equal to distance traversed upon time required for traversing the distance.